So let's solve one challenge in this session. Here I have imported relevant libraries you can import, and you can take any CSV file as per your requirement and then create a data frame using pd.readcsv, and I have just provided the path, and I can see number of column like df.columns will give list of all the column here. So challenge is you have to find average funding total USD for each country code. So this is column and this is country code. Okay. So if you are going to write df dot group by and country code, you simply give country code, right? So this find average funding total USD for each country code, and then give this column name funding total USD, this one column, and then take mean. You will be getting an error. Why is it so? See, because this column is not numeric, so you cannot take the mean. If you see, no numeric types to aggregate. So first what we need to do, we need to convert this column like df dot and column name is funding total USD, this one. Try to convert it into numeric. If you check D type, here you can see D type is object. Why it is object? Due to this comma. So first we need to replace comma. Okay, so dot apply and anonymous function lambda x and then x dot replace comma, replace with a space. Okay, here if you will run this program, this comma will be removed. For example, here see shift, what I did, comma is already removed here. See 175 and then 4 times 0, no comma is there. And if you want to convert it into float, because still this is object, just try to convert it into floating point as type float. Then once again you will get one error here, and it says could not convert string to float. Which string? This dash. Comma we have already converted. Now convert that dash also. Write replace and this dash you can mark it as 0. Now you can see it will be converted. So this column is finally converted to float 64. Now take this column name, Control C, and here overwrite it. Okay, in one variable. So by doing this, D type float will be stored in this column. Now execute this, and if you want to check, you can check here df dot, okay, this dot D types. So no D types, D type is there, D type. You can see dot df 2 times, remove 1 time. You can see float 64. Now floating is there, this is numeric type. Now if you calculate this mean, it will work. Here it will give the mean. So this was the agenda for question number 13. Find average column name for each country code. Next, find total, this for each country code. Okay, so 14 how to do? 14 so just write df dot group by what? Group by country code. So group by 14 country code, take this country code from this listing, column name listing to avoid any mistake. Group by this, okay, group by this, and then here write that column name is this one, Control C, then Control V. Okay, this column is already numeric type. If numeric type, you can use total by using sum, and then shift, you will be getting this sum. Okay, what is the next is find average funding total USD in each country code and region. So here what to do, df dot group by for each country code and region. So group by 2 column. So make the list of columns, country code, this is country code, copy here country code and paste here country code. Okay, comma, you need region, so go here and select this region. So group by what, country code and region. So let's read once again, find average funding total USD in each country code and region. So group by this, and after that you write name of this column, Control C and Control V. Okay, and you need mean, average means mean, then write mean, and it will work. Here it will work. See, country code, and this is a region, and this is the mean. Okay, so hope it will work. So what did I do in this session? Just let's revise. I have just imported libraries, import pandas and alias name is pd, import numpy numerical python, alias name is np, alternate name, import math because we are going to take mean, we are using sum function, and to plot in future we'll see matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and if any warning comes, to avoid that warning, import warning library, and then warnings told filter warning, put ignore, so warning will not come. This is the path of the data, and I have created data frame by reading the CSV using function read underscore CSV. df.columns will give all the column name. Okay, df.columns will give all the column names. Then question first, what find average funding total USD for each country code. Actually this will give the mean, but problem was this column was not numeric, it was object type due to comma and dash. So by using apply and anonymous function, I have replaced comma with this and dash with this. It becomes numeric, and then you take mean, you take sum of the column, and group by region and that country code, you can get mean. So this is how we have solved this challenge. Hope this will help you. Thank you.